And say Merry Christmas. Look in the camera.
Merry Christmas
To who?
to April.
And her family? And her mommy and her daddy? And what do you say for the gifts?
Thank you.
You're not looking at the camera. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, now do you want to open them?
Yes.
Okay, go open them. What did you get?
I don't know yet. Stop. A Hello Kitty. That's why I got a Hello Kitty present. Look, Hello Kitty.
Yay!
Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
What do you say?